Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We have here our WRX and we'll be installing our new carbon fiber V3 diffuser limited edition. So here's the spats and the middle section. So they're doing a limited run, I think 10 or 12, or I don't even know, to be honest. I gotta ask, but these will be available, full carbon fiber for the VB chassis. So if you're interested, link is in the middle, limited edition. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this on our 22 WRX. It's gonna look pretty sick because I don't think we have any carbon stuff except for the interior from MBR. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed. So enjoy the short clip coming up. All right guys, so I have our car set up already. Before I take the diffuser out, I wanna show you guys our exhaust setup because everyone wants to know what kind of exhaust setup we're running, you know? But I'm here to tell you, you know, all the dirty little secrets. But as you can see here, okay, I'll walk through with you guys. This is the primary cat, okay? So if you, well, you know from the VA chassis, if you do know, this is a J-pipe, okay? They call this a J-pipe. I don't know why they call it J-pipe, but it's called a J-pipe. But anyway, so the main primary cat is here, and then you have a secondary cat here, and then you have the resonator that was supposed to be here. Oh wait, it's supposed to be here, and then you have the mufflers. So what we did on our setup, okay, by the way, no check engines, okay? You could run this setup. You don't have to worry about any issues having with any like check light because there's no O2 sensors on this. So you can just take out the secondary cat, which is right here, go to your local muffler shop, ask for the chop special, you know, and they'll get that done for you, get the resonator done for you. And then the axle back, you know, we have the Remark USA, which you can't really see right now. So that's pretty much it. That's our super loud drone master 5000, I call it that, because it's hella droning. But that sounds sick though, you know. So if you want to set up, you can get it done yourself at your local muffler shop. Okay, on to our diffuser install. All right guys, so here it is, the V3 diffuser in carbon fiber. Let me know what you guys think. So I put these two WRX next to each other just to get some differences. So for those that are interested, what you want to do to your VB. As you can see right off the back, obviously the diffuser is put on the V3 versus the V1 diffuser. Slightly different carbon fiber, full aluminum, powder coat gloss black. Both look super sick, you know, can't go wrong with either or choice. The rear bumper, we did gloss black versus the factory matte black finish. As you can tell, the gloss black does make a big difference in my opinion, and also of course the painted bumper. Flares, we did already. The wing looks the same. We don't have the small limited version like STI, not STI, but like WRX deck spoiler. So that's a little difference you can see. The sides, as you can see, stock suspension, ISC coilovers, and what is this? Anyways, we have our side skirts obviously painted and wrapped over. Customers doesn't have it. So customer has the regular cladded side skirts. Well, he might switch it out, but who knows, you know? And then we have the front splitter, the V6 splitter with the gloss black accents, and customers here with the V3 splitter with the OEM matte black and gray grille. So this is the difference how much gloss black can make, you know, on a car, in my opinion. He got the factory stock, stock emblems, and we have the Nardo gray, or yeah, custom Nardo gray by overlay, Elite Wraps overlays. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you're interested, make sure to hit us up. We're ready to work on your VB anytime. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I will catch you guys in the next episode. We'll be installing the carbon fiber duckbill spoiler. Not even on our car, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, bye.